In 1987, a partnership of local businessmen purchased Brotherhood Winery, including winemaster Cesar Baeza, with two goals: restore its reputation as a prime tourist destination in the Hudson Valley and increase production with a new line of premium wines. An internationally known winemaker, Baeza set about creating premium wines from single vinifera varietals, including Pinot Noir, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Chardonnay, and Riesling. Retaining the old favorites were important to Brotherhood's legacy, as production continued on older specialties such as holiday spiced wine, Rosario, May wine, cream sherry, and port. Brotherhood also revived their line of method champenoise champagnes, releasing their Grand Monarque Cuvee in 1990. In its efforts to become a premier New York State destination, Brotherhood Winery also focused on tourism and hospitality. The winery revived some of its grand legendary parties and created new events, including daily historical tours. On January 7, 1999, a devastating fire at Brotherhood nearly destroyed the winery's historic buildings. Fortunately, the winemaking and storage facilities, as well as the underground vaults, were not harmed. Sales continued and rebuilding began immediately. In 2000, Brotherhood Winery was designated an historic landmark and added to the New York State and National Registers of Historic Places.